Let us understand how to register Mobile Protection Platinum app in Apple devices. Points to remember while uploading invoice. Image of invoice that is to be uploaded during registration should be clear. Note: the details mentioned in the invoice should be clearly visible. If it's not clear, ensure that you retake the clear image and upload. Invoice number should not be handwritten. Note: invoice number should be printed on invoice. If it is handwritten, invoice won't be accepted for claim processing. Invoice details should match the registration details. Note: the details entered during registration should match with the details mentioned in the invoice, like retailer name, invoice number, customer name, IMEI number, and invoice amount. Image of original invoice should be uploaded. Note: ensure that you upload the image of original invoice. Do not upload the photocopy of invoice. If it's a handwritten invoice, then retailer stamp and signature is necessary. Note: if the invoice is handwritten, then ensure that the invoice is stamped and signed by retailer before it's being uploaded during registration process. There should be no tampering, cancellation or correction in handset purchase invoice. Note: if there is any tampering, cancellation and correction in the handset purchase invoice, retailer stamp and sign is essential for validation. Do not upload any document other than invoice. It will create problem during claim, as the invoice is validated during claim processing. Mobile Protection Platinum registration process. Open AppZeli Mobile Protection Platinum app installed in the device. Then click on Sign Up to start registration. Enter all the details in the registration page as mentioned in the photo ID proof and handset purchase invoice. Note: name and father name should match the ID proof, and invoice number, date and amount should match the invoice. Now select retailer type. In retailer type you will get two options. One is retailer and second is online. If the handset is purchased through a retail store, then select retailer. If the handset is bought online through websites like Snapdeal, Flipkart, etc., then select online. Now start entering the details as required in the registration page. That is retailer name, retailer location, customer phone number, sales ID, store ID of the retailer, and click on Protection Policy and User Agreement. Note: customer number which is getting registered in the registration page should be an active mobile number. Sales ID should be entered if the promoter of AppZeli is present in the store. Store ID of the retailer should be entered, and remember to click on Protection Policy and User Agreement. Now let's understand handset invoice upload process. Click on Take Photo to capture the invoice directly from the camera of the device. If the captured image is not clear or the details mentioned in the invoice is not clearly visible, then click on Retake to capture the image of invoice again. If the captured image is clear and the details mentioned in the invoice is clearly visible, then select on Use Photo. Click on Submit to proceed with the registration. Click on Select Photo if it's already captured and saved in your phone. If the captured image is clear and the details mentioned in the invoice is clearly visible, click on Submit and your registration will be completed successfully. Thank you.